Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about Coinmrbeast.com, and in this video we will do a complete analysis and find out whether this is a scam or a ledger. Right, so when I just try to open this website, this is not opening. I don't know, and as you can, let me show you why this is. I'm very thankful to my browser that it's not opening. Not secure. So whenever you find some of the website which show you not secure, it means they are using HTTP, not S, right? It means that if I just go and access this link, they can just take my data, which is really bad. So I'm just going to close this up, right? And here, this is one of the website which found explained that why this is a scam. So coinmrbeast.com described as a 1000% scam site that lures user with promise of significant bonus such as welcome offer of 0.25 BTC. If you don't know, 0.25 BTC is a huge amount. I don't know from where they are just doing this. However, users are required to deposit fund before they can access their bonus, which is a common tactic of this fraudster, right? There's a no transparency, trust score and reviews are completely zero, which is a very big sign that it's completely a scam. And the scam is silly. You can see here it's Coin Mr Beast. Mr. Beast is one of the biggest YouTuber, right? And no way that he's going to do a crypto. Even though he just get into crypto, of course he will just inform the audience about it, right? And this website just used the name of Mr. Beast to attract the audience, and this platform has been associated with misleading claims involving the popular Mr. video, which I told you, and they use a deepfake technology to create fake endorsement. Any video claiming featuring Mr. Beast promoting the site are 100% fraud. So I will advise you not to go to this website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.